Hello once again. I am back, but this time round we want to make a website for your business. And I will introduce an AI called B12. B12 is an AI that will make you a website within a second. So without wasting time, let us go to ChatGPT and make a prompt of our description of our website and name. So I will go to ChatGPT and generate a description, okay? Make a description. You can have a description of my website called Belinda Fashion and Design House. Okay. Our brand color is golden yellow, golden brown, golden orange, golden orange. Make the banner width 1920 by 800 pixels. Okay, then make it have 5 pages. Make it fashionable and interesting and attractive. I'm just doing this, but you should be able to write all the content of your so it will write me a website this. So let me generate. This is what I am going to take to B12, so that B12 is going to make me a website. So here is the description. So website overview, we have this one. This is the banner part. Then we have website page structure, about us page 2. Then we will copy upon when it finishes. Just waiting for it to finish. It is done. So this is a simple website, so I will copy this website description until where? Here. Copy it, take it to B12, paste it here. Inside here, paste the prompt here, Control V, and now after pasting the prompt, come here and generate. But after making this website, you can still edit your website. So I'm waiting for the website to come. It's generating the website. This is how you can make your website very fast. Look, this AI is called B12. It can help you make your website within a second. We are done. Create a website. B12. Creating your personal website is done. Let's see what is going to create. I'm just waiting to see what is going to come out. So AIs will help you create these websites, and look at how your website is going to look. Just waiting to see. Nice. Belinda Fashion and Design. Look at the website. Let me preview the website in full mode so that you can see it. Loading your website. I have seconds to finish this video, so just wait and see. The website is bam. Look, complete website. Look at our website. Look. Even the contacts and everything, it's there. Belinda Fashion and Design. We have homepage, about us, look, products, and we have contact us. So that is how you make a website. And you can also edit. You can still edit the site, okay? You can still edit where necessary. If you want to put a logo here, you can still edit it. So go to B12 and learn how to make a website I want to see. That is how people make website, guys. Very simple, you know, and you can use it for social media and the rest. right.